Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. Now, this is the time for another of the grammar lesson, English grammar lesson. So, prepare yourself for a new grammar lesson. Okay, our today's grammar lesson is about prepositions. Look at the pictures. What is written there? In, on, over, under, up, down, far, near. What do these words tell us? Okay, we have to study them in detail. Now, my dear, look at the definition of this word preposition. A preposition is a word that tells us the position of one thing in relation to another. Look at the example. Look at the picture carefully. A train is going inside a tunnel. Tunnel is a path inside a mountain. So the train goes through the tunnel. The word through is preposition here. So preposition are those words which tell us the position of one thing in relation to another. I have selected a short video for you. Please watch that.
Position words, prepositions. Do you know what a preposition is? A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place, or a thing is. In this way, preposition words connect a noun or a pronoun to another noun or pronoun. Some examples of prepositions are on, in, under, and over. In other words, on, in, under, and over are position words. Let us now look at some uses of these position words. The book is on the table. Here, on tells us where the book is. So, on is a preposition. The teddy is in the cupboard. Here, in tells us where the teddy is. So, in is a preposition. The rabbit is under the tree. Here, under tells us where the rabbit is. So, under is a preposition. The cat is jumping over the chair. Here, over tells us where the cat is. So, over is a preposition.
I hope you all have enjoyed this video about prepositions, and you must have learned many things about prepositions, and you have to learn many of the preposition words and how they are used. You can see some of the preposition words in this pic. There are so many other preposition words also, which tells us about the position of anything in relation to any other thing, like on, to, with, below, from, under. So many preposition words are there. Okay, so that is the lesson for today, and no written work for today. Just watch the video twice, the whole lesson, watch it twice, and try to understand it, and think of as many preposition words as you can, and in the next lesson I will assign you some written task. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz, my dear students.